Productivity has become one of the most important skills in today's fast-paced digital world. Whether you're a student, a creator, a freelancer, or someone trying to stay organized at work, the amount of daily tasks can feel overwhelming. But the good news is that artificial intelligence is making productivity easier than ever before. With the right AI tools, you can finish your work faster, stay organized, and focus on the things that actually matter. In this video, we're breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that can truly supercharge your productivity in 2025. These aren't ordinary apps. These are smart, automated assistants that help you plan, write, think, research, organize, and create in a fraction of the time. Let us get started with the first AI tool that can save you countless hours every week. Notion AI. Notion was already one of the best all-in-one productivity apps, but after adding Notion AI, it became a complete powerhouse. With just one click, Notion AI can summarize long notes, generate task lists, create project outlines, and even help you write content. If you have messy notes or scattered ideas, Notion AI turns them into clean, structured documents quickly. It can also answer questions based on your workspace, which means your notes turn into a personal knowledge assistant. Whether you're planning a project, managing your studies, or organizing your work life, Notion AI helps you stay on top of everything without feeling overwhelmed. The next tool on our list is Motion, an AI-powered productivity tool that schedules your entire day automatically. If you struggle with time management, this tool can literally change your life. Motion takes all your tasks, meetings, deadlines, and priorities and creates the most efficient schedule for you minute by minute. If something unexpected happens, Motion adjusts your day automatically. It's like having an intelligent personal assistant that plans your time in the smartest way possible. This is perfect for people who multitask, juggle multiple projects, or simply want more structure in their daily routine. Moving on to the next tool, we have ChatGPT, which has become one of the most versatile productivity boosters in 2025. You can use it to generate ideas, draft emails, plan content, research topics, create scripts, summarize information, solve problems, and automate repetitive tasks. Instead of spending hours searching for answers or writing from scratch, ChatGPT gives you a starting point within seconds. It's not just about writing. You can use ChatGPT to create study plans, business strategies, workout routines, or step-by-step instructions for literally anything. It works like a personal brainstorming partner that is available 24/7. These first 3 AI tools alone can drastically increase your productivity, helping you save time and stay focused. But the next 2 tools go even further by helping you automate work and manage tasks more intelligently. Let's continue with the remaining tools in the second half of the script. The next AI tool that can transform the way you work is Taskade AI. Taskade is known for its simple and clean interface, but the AI features are what really make it powerful. With Taskade AI, you can instantly generate project plans, mind maps, workflows, and to-do lists based on a single prompt. If you have a complex project but don't know where to start, Taskade AI will break it down into organized steps automatically. It also includes AI-powered task management, which helps you prioritize what matters most. You can turn long text into visual outlines, generate meeting summaries, rewrite unclear notes, or even use the built-in AI chatbot to collaborate and plan with your team. Taskade synchronizes across all devices, so whether you're on your laptop or phone, your productivity stays consistent. It's perfect for teams, creators, and students who want a fast, smart way to stay organized. Now let us talk about the 5th and final tool on our list, one that is designed to automate the most time-consuming digital tasks. Zapier AI. Zapier has been a popular automation platform for years, but with AI integration, it's more powerful than ever. Zapier AI helps you create automation simply by describing what you want. For example, you can say, "Whenever I receive an email from a client, Save the attachment to Google Drive and send me a reminder, and Zapier will build the entire workflow automatically. It connects with thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Notion, Trello, and more, which means your daily routine can become fully automated. If you're someone who spends too much time on repetitive tasks like copying data, organizing files, or sending updates, Zapier AI can save hours every week. It allows you to focus on deep work instead of busy work, which instantly boosts your productivity. When you combine all these AI tools, Notion AI for organizing ideas, Motion for smart scheduling, ChatGPT for brainstorming, and writing, Taskade AI for planning and collaboration, and Zapier AI for automation, you create a powerful productivity system. These tools remove mental overload, help you stay consistent, and give you more time to focus on the things that truly matter. Productivity is not about working more hours, it's about working smarter. And in 2025, AI makes that possible for everyone. Whether you're managing studies, growing a business, creating content, or working a full-time job, these tools can help you become more efficient, more organized, and more creative. So, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you think could make the biggest difference in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. We share the best AI tools, productivity hacks, and technology updates, so you never miss out on the latest tips that can save you time and energy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.